how to add products to the Shopify Dawn theme. As you may have noticed, there is no direct way to add a product here from the Dawn theme itself. So there's an easy fix for that. What we can do is we can go back to our dashboard, and you want to go to products here on the left hand side. And just go to products, and here you can see all the products you have in your store. And what you want to do for that is you go to the top right corner here and you click on add product, and then you have to fill in the title, the description, add media, add the pricings and so on, the quantity. And once you do that, you can save it, and once it appears in your products tab, it will show up in your Dawn theme as well. So that's how you add products in the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.